Hello traders, this is Zen here. I wanted to give you just a couple projected moves to look for this upcoming week. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, let's take a look here and review CFTC Rule 4.41. Now basically this rule talks about the large potential rewards available trading Forex, but it also cautions to the large potential risk. And most important, we're being advised to not invest or trade money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay, first pair we're going to take a peek at is Euro US dollar. Now we see, if we're going back looking at the weekly structure, we see price has been on the rise from this anchor point here to this peak here of about 566 pips. So it's at the high of the week, high of the month here. And then it started the correction the previous Thursday, really into Friday. And the overall correction that we saw over the past week was about 310 pips. Now this pair, again, we like to see price move directionally somewhere between 3 and 5 days. So we see price moving slightly below the 200 moving average, just above the 800. And what we're looking for this week with Euro US dollar is price to consolidate, stop onto the bottom. It may come down into this zone here. It may even go as deep as this 800 moving average. And then we're going to see price rise. Next up, we have USD CHF. And again, we see the low point here on the chart. This is the anchor. It ran all the way up here to the top, just over 300 pips here to the 800 moving average. Set the high here, pulled off, tapped it again here. The projected move that we're looking for is price to consolidate, stop onto the top. And once again, it wouldn't surprise me if it pushed all the way up, painted a head and shoulders pattern here using this 800 moving average as a rejection zone, and then moving to the short side. Now remember, members of the Trading Empire get all the projections, just giving you a couple to look forward to this upcoming week. But here's what we have for you. Euro US dollar, the bias on it is long, and USD CHF, the bias is short.